Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I want to show you how to knit a striped baby hat. It is a newborn size, will fit baby up to 6 months. You may find more newborn hats tutorial on my blog or YouTube channel. For this tutorial I am using Yarn Inspiration Bernard Premium, and it is medium weight yarn, so basically any soft medium weight yarn will work. And the blue color, it is another brand but also medium weight. You will also need circular or double pointed needles, 3.5 millimeters. Here I am using 40 centimeters or 16 inches. At the end, you will need, for shaping the crown, you will need double pointed needles, so you may start already with double pointed needles, or if you have longer circular needles, then you may use a magic ring method and use a longer, like 80 centimeters or 60 centimeters length circular needles. So if you're ready, let's get started. Using long tail cast on method, cast on 54 stitches or any other number multiple of 6. Add one more stitch and we are going to use this stitch to join and knit in rounds. Slip the first stitch to the right hand needle, then pick up the last stitch and slip it over the first one and drop it off the needle. Pull the tail and the working yarn and return the first stitch back to the left hand needle. Now place stitch marker. Double check that all your stitches are looking in one direction and are not twisted. And we start with ribbon, knit 1, purl 1. 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 It seems that there are not enough stitches here for this length of circular needles, but it will be better couple of rows later. So continue ribbon, knit 1, purl 1, till the end of this round, till the stitch marker. Round number 2, we are going to repeat round number 1. Continue knitting ribbon, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Finish this round and then continue knitting 4 more rounds, so in total 6 rounds of ribbon. Here I am, and let's measure. So it is 3 centimeters or 1.2.3 inches. Now we are going to start with stripes, and I will continue working with blue color. Here we are going to knit in stockinette stitch, so knit all stitches around. Knit all, knit 54. Finish this round and then knit 3 more rounds in stockinette stitch with blue color. So I've done in total 4 rounds in stockinette stitch, and now I'm going to change the color. Grab the white color, leave a tail about 10 centimeters, and continue knitting. It's a too long tail, let's make it shorter. And continue knitting in stockinette stitch. Please go on till the stitch marker. And now please pay attention. In the second round of each color stripe, we will slip the first stitch instead of knitting it to make the color change less noticeable. So pull all tails here, and it will create a smoother transition between colors. Here you can tie blue and white tails. Okay, so only in round 2 of each color stripe. After that you continue knitting all stitches, so there will be no bumps or jogs where the colors change. So continue knitting, finish this round and then 2 more rounds in white color, so in total 4 rounds as for the blue color. Here I am. Now take the blue color and start knitting new stripe. Go on knitting till the stitch marker, and again in round 2 we are going to slip the first stitch to make the transition between colors smoother and less visible. So slip and knit all other stitches. In the same way, finish this round and then 2 more rounds. So continue alternating white and blue stripes until the height of the hat reaches 9 or 10 centimeters. Here I am, so let's measure. So my hat measures 10 centimeters or 4 inches. Let's knit the last stitch. And from this point we are going to start making decreases. Here I change the color, and here you can switch to double pointed needles. I will switch later a little bit. And let's get started. Knit 4. So you remember the total number was multiple of 6. That's why we divide the crown in 9 parts. Knit 4. Then knit 2 together. And here we are going to repeat 9 times. Knit 4, knit 2 together. Knit 4, knit 2 together. Let's go on repeating till the stitch marker. Knit 4, knit 2 together. The second round, here there will be no decreases, just knit all stitches around. And you remember we need to slip the first stitch because it is the second round of the next stripe. Knit all stitches around. Please go on. Round number 3. Again, a round with decreases. Knit 3 already. And then knit 2 together. And repeat. Knit 3. Knit 2 together. Knit 3. Knit 2 together. Knit 3, knit 2 together till the end. Round number 4. Here I switched already to the double pointed needles. Knit all stitches around. Round number 5. Here you can cut the white color. We are not going to use it anymore. Round number 5. Let's make a knot here as well. Knit 2. Knit 2 together. Knit 2. Knit 2 together. Knit 2, knit 2 together. till the end. Finish this round, then round number 6, knit all stitches. Round number 7, there will be knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, knit 2 together. Round number 8, knit all stitches, and round number 9, knit 2 together around. So at the end, you will get 9 stitches. And if you need a written instruction, please check my blog. There will be a full description. Now cut the yarn and thread the tail. Pull the tail through remaining 9 stitches. Pull, and again underneath remaining stitches, pull the tail once or twice more. Make a knot and weave in end. Here is the seam, it's flat, you will not feel it. Use please the soft acrylic yarn, and here you see seam almost invisible. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial with me. If you would like to make a full set to go with this hat, there are also matching scratch mittens and baby socks, all in the same stripe pattern. If you want the complete set, please check out my blog or my YouTube tutorials.